Watch this. This is my office. And so is this. No green screen, no film crew, no fancy software. Just me, one chair, and one AI tool. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking, how? And the best part is you can pull off every single one of these yourself. See, if you make videos, for YouTube, your business, clients, you've always wanted that big cinematic movie scene look, but it's meant expensive gear and years of editing skills. So most of us just settle. I did too. Same plain wall, every single video, until I found this one tool. And it changed everything. So I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. And stick around. The last one, that magic chamber, is the wildest thing I've ever made. So the tool's called OpenArt. The first feature's the simplest. And watch how fast this is. I take one clip of myself, sitting right here at my desk. Then I just describe the background I want. I literally type it out, like a luxury penthouse at golden hour. And hit generate. And there it is. Same chair, same me. Now in a $10 million penthouse. So I tried another, a proper podcast studio. Looks like I rented a whole set, right? And then this, out on a neon street at night. Each one took just a couple of minutes. Now, that's changing where you are. But watch what happens when I change the whole mood of the shot. The lighting, in a single click. This is Relight. Same clip. I just picked the lighting mood I want. Watch, a moody neon look. Then a softer one, clean cinematic light. Same footage, but the whole vibe changes. Okay, so I can change my world and I can change my lighting, but here's the one that stopped me in my tracks. Keeping my real desk, my actual coffee, and changing everything else around it. Sounds impossible, right? Watch. This is the VFX mode. Here's how it works. I upload my clip, then paint a mask over everything I want to keep. Me, my desk, my laptop, even my coffee mug. Whatever I mask stays exactly the same. Everything else transforms. I drop in a reference image of the world I want, type a quick prompt, and generate. Now watch my desk. Same mug, same books, turn into the inside of a spaceship. Then I made one more, a cozy little cafe. And look at that mug. It never changes. That's my real stuff, in a completely impossible place. That's what makes people stop and stare. Tell me in the comments, which world would you drop yourself into? I'd love to see them. But everything so far, that was the warm-up, because this exact feature is how I made that magic chamber from the start, the wildest one of all. Let's break it down. Same VFX mode as before, but 3 things are what make this look real instead of cheap. First, light yourself well in the original clip. Good light in, good magic out. Second, and this is the big one, give it a reference image of the exact world you want. That locks in the style so it doesn't come out generic. And heads up, these prompts aren't automatic. You write every one yourself, so that reference does a lot of the heavy lifting. And the third one, it's tiny, but get it wrong and the whole illusion falls apart. Watch. When you mask, be a little generous around the edges so everything you keep stays perfectly clean. Then I hit generate. And even with my hand moving this fast, it tracks me perfectly. And just like that, my office becomes a full-on wizard's chamber. One clip, one reference, one prompt. That's the whole trick. Want to try it yourself? The link's in the description. And there's a discount code in there to get you started. And remember, whether it's YouTube, ads, or content for your business, you can now shoot one clip and put yourself anywhere, all from one room. Now, if you want to see something just as wild, I made a whole video on the AI tools that replaced my entire editing team. It's right here. Go check it out.